Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. I am super excited about today's video because I have discovered something new for me and it is the first time that I attend to realize it in their life. So how you saw some seconds ago, in today's video, I am going to show you how I made these embroidery hoop filled with resin and real plaster flowers. I'm calling these hoops Devon flower hoops because all the flowers were collected by me in Devon, UK. I had a set of 3 embroidery hoops and today I decided to use 2, the smallest and the medium one. So the first thing I want to do is to secure my hoops on self-adhesive tape. I wasn't sure it's going to work, but as I have previously made open bezel pendants, I thought that it's going to be similar way of doing this project too. So here I am trying to push them down and to secure them in the place. Here I have mixed some resin and I am going to be adding white just for you online UK pigment. So yeah, here I am doing just that. And with this resin I am aiming to fill about 1/3 of this hoop, because the next layer is going to be flowers and then transparent. So basically I am aiming to do this project in 3 layers. I did transfer my resin into other cup because I want that my white is mixed very well and I have no white streaks. So here I am pushing again, hoping that it will stay. And after I gonna pour it, I will cover it with this wooden shelf and I am going to put lots of heavy stuff on it. So here we go, ready to pour my white base layer. And fingers crossed that it will not seep under. So if you like videos about resin and everything connected to resin, consider to subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my future videos. And here I am distributing my white evenly around the area and hoping that it's gonna work. As I said before, this is the first time for me doing this kind of project, so I have no idea at this point how it's going to work, if it's going to work, and yeah. So the next step to do is to cover them and leave them to cure overnight. This is the next day. It's looking good. I have tiny bit of spillage, leakage, but overall I'm happy because this is easy thing to fix by sanding them down afterwards. Right, now it's going to be the fun part to fill these hoops with flowers. I have prepared my flower arrangement before and now I am going to place them. I am using UV resin for this flower because it is straight, but in the piece of the hoop I want that it's a bit bent, so I'm putting it into the place with UV resin. Also, this was my first time attempting to put a large fern into a piece. I didn't know which way is better to do it. So for this hoop I decided to pre-cut it and arrange it like that. But soon after I thought that I'm not sure if it's the best way to do it. So you're gonna see me doing it different way in the other hoop. So enjoy this sped up flower arrangement and I'll see you shortly. Well, that's all done. And now I'm just sprinkling little bit of glitter for that little bit of extra. They have cured and now I have mixed the last resin to fill the hoops. So here I am doing just that. And of course I didn't mix enough resin, so I had to mix more. I did it off camera and I filled up the little hoop. Right, they have cured and they are ready. The next step is to remove them from the sticky tape. And it was a struggle. I'm telling you, it was hard to do. One point I said, I just can't do it. And this tape left quite a bit of residue. So, with magical isopropanol alcohol, I managed to remove it completely. And here I am doing the other one. You're gonna see in a bit how I struggle to get it off. It's horrible. Oh. But hey, no pain, no gain. And here they are off. I'm absolutely in love with this piece. There is a little sanding to do, but it's okay. Yeah, remove the residue. But look at that. Fantastic. I love it so much. So these hoops are a success for me, and these two pieces are already hanging in their new homes, which makes me extremely happy. And in the future I will be making these hoops again. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving a comment. But for now, I say goodbye. Keep creating. Until next time. Bye.